In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move the taskbar in Windows 11 to the top of your screen. As some of you may know, Windows 11 doesn't officially support relocating the taskbar to the top, left, or right of the screen. But there is a workaround using a registry tweak that I'm excited to share with you. First, we'll need to open the Registry Editor, a powerful tool that lets us modify the Windows registry. To begin, press the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard simultaneously. This will open the Run dialog box. Here, type regedit and press Enter. If prompted by the user account control, go ahead and select Yes to allow access. Once you have the registry editor open, we need to navigate to a specific key. On the left pane, you'll see a hierarchical structure. Carefully follow this path. HKE buying current user, then software, Microsoft, Windows, current version, Explorer, and finally, StuckRecs 3. Take your time to ensure you're in the right spot, as navigating the registry requires attention to detail. Within StuckRecs 3, look for a value named Settings. Double-click on it to bring up an array of binary numbers. You'll notice a row starting with 00008. Here comes the crucial part. Locate the fifth column in this row and change the value from 03 to 01. It's important to note what these numbers mean. 03 is the default setting, which keeps your taskbar at the bottom, while 01 moves it to the top of your screen. After making this change, click OK to confirm, and then close the registry editor. We're almost done. Next, we need to restart Windows Explorer, which is the process that manages your taskbar and desktop. Press Ctrl plus Shift key to open the Task Manager. In the Task Manager, scroll down to find Windows Explorer in the list of processes. Right-click on it and select Restart. This will refresh your screen layout, and your taskbar should now appear at the top of your screen. So, there you have it. This subtle change can really switch up the feel of your desktop, offering a different perspective if you're seeking a fresh look without the limitations imposed by the default settings. While this method doesn't officially enable positions for the left or right, it's a neat trick if you prefer your taskbar out of its usual spot. Remember, working with the registry can be risky, so always ensure you're confident with the steps before proceeding. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you personalize your Windows 11 experience. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.